Hey guys, it's Mrs. Engel here. I've got two guests to our video this week. Guests, do you want to say hello?
Hello.
That was Lydia. Matthew?
Ayo.
They're sitting here doing their e-learning. Hey, I wanted to share with you this week what it is we're going to be doing. So, last week you sent me your drafts, your first copies of your writing. A lot of you worked really, really hard. Some of you have not yet sent those in. I'm going to be sending you an email here in just a little bit to let you know what it is. If I haven't got yours, or maybe you sent it and I just missed it in my emails. If I did, I apologize. So, your draft, you're going to be going through the revision process. And basically, the revision process is changing your ideas, adding to your ideas, and making it truly a final draft here. So I have a little bit of a guide here, and I've sent this to you several times. It's posted in OneNote for you. I've also emailed it out to you in Skyward this morning. But you're going to consider what's incomplete. Do you have anything that's really not addressed for your readers? Did you introduce a character that you never finished or anything like that? What is well done? You need to look at your piece and decide what it is you really like. What did you do well? Do your characters need more depth? Do we know everything about your characters that we need to know to understand what's going on? Is there anything that needs added or taken away? Those are the big things to consider with your ideas. We're also going to do some editing. Editing is like spelling, punctuation, grammar, and that sort of thing. So I want you to consider, what it is that you're doing to make this piece better. One of the things that you're going to want to do is use spell check. So if you just go up to, let me see here, review, go to spelling and grammar, it's going to help you go through. So it's going to ask you, so hey, do you want to do this? Should you consider this? Or whatever, capital letters, things like that. So I'm not going to go ahead and go through and do mine because I did that already on this piece. But you're going to want to consider those things. And we're going to finish these up. We're going to get this first round of revisions done ourselves. Then I'm going to ask you to send it to two people. Hey, what do you think of my piece? Share it with them. They'll make comments in there. And they will help you make a good piece. So if they notice something that you didn't, they'll say, hey, what about this or what about that? I want you to share it with two people. Once you get their comments back, I want you to fix whatever it is they said. Okay? When you're reading and revising someone's, you're going to do the same thing. What's complete? What's well done? Do characters need more depth? What needs added or taken away? Did you spell check it? Did you grammar check it? And so you're going to be doing those things with your pieces. Okay, you're going to do that for each other. The last thing that I want to show you is I want to show you the rubric. Okay, let me find the rubric here. I'm going to post this rubric as well. This is how I'm going to grade most of your pieces. Some of your pieces, however, are not narrative, so they might be graded on a slightly different rubric. But it's going to be fine here. So it's going to be the basic shell of a rubric here. So if you look, let's see, I'm trying to get it to load. My son's threatening to throw an orange at me. I apologize. If he throws one at me, I'm going to throw one back. And my daughter has an orange for whips. Come on, thing. So here's the rubric, guys. So this is what I'm going to do if you're writing a narrative. Basically, you've got several categories here. I'm looking at ideas and content. Can I see what's going on? Do I know where you're at? Can I visualize things? Can I know what's going on? How organized are you? Does it transition? Is it easy to read? Do I have questions as I'm reading it? How did you organize it? Your voice. I want to hear you in this piece. I want to know that this is yours, and I want to know how it's going. Word choice. What kind of words did you choose? Do your words match what it is you're doing? How fluent is it? Is it natural sounding? Conventions. This is the spelling, grammar, all of that stuff. So here's the rubric that I'm going to use to grade it on. I'll also send this morning in that Skyward email. So guys, just keep working on these pieces. The final published piece is going to be due on the 15th, okay? The 15th of May. So that last week we'll have just one more small assignment that we'll do. It's just a reflection. I just want to know about your year of learning. But this is going to be your last graded piece. So reach out to me. Let me help you. I'm just a message, an email, a Zoom session away. So check in with me. Let me know how it's going. If you have not sent in your your final, your draft, I've got to see it, guys. I want to help. I need to see those so I can get us back on track. So if you could give me, send it in, let me know what's going on. And this will be a great week of learning, guys. So let me know how I can help. Thanks.
Just do your e-learning.